Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you again for being here. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you. And as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. As you can see from the description, yes, we have our winner FabFitFun. I'm so excited, you guys. So excited. It's not a very heavy box this time, but that's okay. Still gonna have amazing products, I'm sure. So let's get it open. This is what it looks like when we open it. There is always it's actually a magazine now, that will tell you about your items. And there's always, I think this is in every box, the HelloFresh card. And, okay, so that's that. Oh, it ripped. It's okay. This is what it looks like. We'll go ahead and do that because it's ripped. And this is what we see when we see inside. Whew. So it is full of all kind of goodies. There were a few items that we were able to customize, which I love. So for those of you that do not know, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription. You receive it every winter, spring, summer, and fall. It is absolutely amazing. It is $49.99 a quarter, but the box always values over $300, and it is one of my favorite subscriptions. So let's get in here and see. We'll flip through the magazine because usually this is where we can see all the different variations that there were. Because like I said, you do now get to customize a couple of your items. If you are a select member, which means you go ahead and prepay for an annual membership, you actually can select or customize more items. I just pay quarterly, so I think was able to select between, three of my items I do know about. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is right here. Oh y'all, this is so soft. Mark and Graham. And this is a color block throw in gray ivory or natural ivory. And it appears I got the natural, which I really like. This is a $49 value. This right here pays for the box. So this is a nice cozy blanket. And it is so soft. It looks like select members actually could have chosen the color that they wanted. I'm actually very happy with the ivory color. The natural and the ivory. Gosh, they're so soft. Oh. Okay, so item number one paid for the box. So let's see, we're going to move along to the second item. This was an item I was able to customize. And I'm excited for this. All right. So I live in North Carolina, as you guys know, I've said in many videos. So it really doesn't get that cold here. However, when it does, it's cold. But because it doesn't get cold that often, I really don't. I mean, I have some gloves and things, but not a ton. So I was actually very excited. I thought this was super cute. You had the choice of this bear paw. It's this super cute, soft, cozy headband, and these gloves. What I like about the gloves is they're the fingerless, but then you can flip right here and make it kind of like a mitten, so you actually can use your fingers when you need to. So I thought this was really cute, and it was the choice of this or the Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask. It was like a hair mask. I actually have the Brazilian blowout hair treatment mask, so I really didn't need that, and I thought this was super cute, especially this headband. I think it's adorable. So very happy to have that. And let's see, the next item is from Ahava. Oh, I love Ahava. Hydration cream mask. Where are you? Okay, so this is an item that everyone received. Enriched with mineral spring water, shea butter, and vitamin E, this rich, creamy mass softens and smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. This is a $33 value. So I'm very happy about that. Like I said, I love Ahava products. I have received some in other FabFitFun boxes. And this is from Black. It says eye mask, hyaluronic acid. This was something that everyone received. Black hydrogel eye mask with hyaluronic acid. Is your under eye area puffy or swollen? Detox and depuff with this activated charcoal eye mask for a refreshed look. It's a set of 5 and it is a $29 value. So that's awesome. I love how FabFitFun always mixes a variety of beauty, lifestyle, you know, home. Like I got some actual like apparel technically with the gloves and the headband, and then gotten a face cream and the eye mask and a blanket, and we're still going. So let's see, what are you? Elevate to essential oils. I love essential oils. Eucalyptus and sweet orange. This is from Elevate. Okay, so this was a variation item. This was one that select members could have chosen. So you could have picked this, the set of the essential oils for $31, or the Anthropology and Merci Sea Whip Body Cream in Coconut Sugar. I love sweet orange. Peppermint is my favorite essential oil, but sweet orange is my second favorite, so I'm very happy to have this. And $31 for two. These must be some good essential oils. So I'm excited for that. And then Bite Beauty. Okay, this was another variation item for select members. You could have chosen this Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick in meringue, or Chic and Tonic I'll Toast to That 4-piece coaster set, or some Brooke Burke body sliders. So I'm actually very happy I got the lipstick. This is a $26 value. So, oh, I like how this feels. So this is the packaging. That's cute. Oh, this is pretty. So it's a very nice nude color. I really, really like that. So very happy that I got that one. All right, and then this is from Thrive Cosmetics. This is an item that everyone received. This is the Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella. Infused with macadamia and meadow foam oil, this silky champagne eye brightener instantly highlights and brightens your eyes. This is a $24 value. So this would be something you could use, you know, up at your brow bone to highlight the inner corner. Oh, right here it says to use, apply to brow bone, lids, waterline, and corners of eyes. Let's open it and take a look at the color. This is it out of the package. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I like that. That is very pretty. I am super excited to play with that. I love it. And then we have here, this was an item I was able to select. We had our choice between Richer Purina Over the Knee Textured Sock, a Sherry Matthews Acupuncture Jade Stone Roller, or a eyeshadow palette by Pure Be Your Selfie palette. I chose the Sherry Matthews Acupuncture Jade Stone Roller. This is a $45 value. I wanted to get this because I have heard wonderful things about these, and I do a lot of sheet mask, and I've heard that, you know, using these with sheet mask actually helps like the serum and stuff from the sheet mask to absorb into your skin. So, oh, it's so pretty. Oh, and it's heavy. So you have this side that would be more for like your face, and then the smaller side you could actually kind of get up here near your eyes. That feels good. That feels really good. It says, it's no wonder this anti-aging beauty tool has been used by empresses for centuries. The jade roller helps stimulate Ki, which is energy, and promotes a feeling of facial relaxation. And it, like, I just want to sit here now and do this. So I'm very excited to have that. And that's the thing about FabFitFun that I love, is a lot of the times there's products that, you know, you may not necessarily just go buy for yourself that you end up getting in here. And we do have one more product. This was also something I was able to customize. We had our choice of an H. Austin jewelry portfolio, and it's kind of like a note. It looks kind of like a notebook. You zip open, you hold your jewelry, or the Orbe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo, or a necklace from Lily Sadoe. It's a silver circle necklace, and that is actually what I chose, the Lily Sadoe silver circle necklace. This is a $49 value. I thought this was beautiful. I have a ton of dry shampoo, and I just really didn't see myself using the jewelry portfolio, so I went with the necklace. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is gorgeous. What I love about this is that it's like there, but it's not like too much. It's simple, but very, very pretty. And it does have an extension here, so you could make it longer or shorter. So I am in love with this. So that was the winter FabFitFun box. The total value of my box was $331, and I paid $49.99. So if you have not already signed up for FabFitFun and you would like to, I will leave a link down below, and it will get you $10 off your first box. So you could get a box for $39.99. So we have some jewelry. We have a blanket. We have a headband and gloves. We have the jade roller, some essential oils, lipstick, eye mask, a face mask from Ahava, which I love, the Bite Beauty lipstick, and then the Thrive Cosmetics highlighter for your eyes. So it is such a great variety of products, and it's like Christmas in a box. Sorry, I keep bumping the camera. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you get FabFitFun, let me know what you got. And like, I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you with the next video. Bye.